कवच एक ऑटोमेटिक ट्रेन प्रोटेक्शन की टेक्नोलॉजी है। इसमें क्या होता है, मान लीजिए दो ट्रेन्स हैं, दोनों ट्रेन्स अगर सेम ट्रैक पे अगर बाई चांस गलती से भी आ गई तो पास में आती है, उससे पहले पहले कवच उसमें ब्रेक लगा देगा और उनको रोक लेगा, तो एक्सीडेंट नहीं होएगा। मान लो एक ट्रेन के पीछे दूसरी ट्रेन जा रही है, तो इस केस में पीछे वाली ट्रेन एक सेफ डिस्टेंस पे रहनी चाहिए। अगर बाई चांस किसी भी कारण से ट्रेन अगर नजदीक आती है तो पीछे वाली ट्रेन में तुरंत कवच उसमें स्पीड कम कर देगा और उसमें ब्रेक लगा देगा। जैसे रेड लाइट है, तो रेड लाइट के पास में जैसे ही ट्रेन पहुंचे उससे पहले पहले उस ट्रेन का कवच अपने आप उसे स्पीड को कम कर देगा, कम करके उसको रेड लाइट से पहले पहले रोक लेगा। कोई गेट आ रहा है तो उस गेट के पास जैसे ही ट्रेन पहुंचे, बाई चांस अगर ड्राइवर ने विसल नहीं बजाई तो भी कवच उसमें ऑटोमेटिकली विसल बजा देगा। तो ये एक ऐसी फैसिलिटी है जिससे यात्रियों की सुरक्षा में बहुत ही बड़ा बदलाव आएगा। प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो विजन है कि हमारे साधारण मानवीय के जीवन में ऐसा परिवर्तन आए जो परिवर्तन उनके जीवन में एक बहुत बड़ा लाभ लाए, तो ये कवच ऐसी एक टेक्नोलॉजी है।
In a massive train crash on Friday involving 3 trains including Coromandel Express, at least 233 people were killed and about 900 injured in Odisha, prompting immediate rescue action which continued on Saturday morning as well. The toll could go up as bodies were still being recovered, while the Odisha government ordered a state mourning on Saturday, cancelling all the events. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav visited the site of the accident and took stock of the situation. Amid all this, an old video of Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is going viral on social media, in which he can be seen talking about the Kavach anti-collision technology used in the trains in India to prevent collisions from happening, thereby prompting the Twitter users to ask why the indigenous anti-collision technology Kavach didn't stop the Odisha train accident from happening. Let us first understand what is the Kavach technology. Kavach is an anti-collision technology developed in India to prevent train accidents. This anti-collision technology reduces the chances of an error to the margin of a single error in 10,000 years. Affirming the facts, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav previously said, the indigenously developed anti-collision technology is SIL4 certified, which means there is a probability of a single error in 10,000 years. The Kavach technology, in more technical terms, is known as Train Collision Avoidance System (TCAS) or Automatic Train Protection System (ATP) system. It is aimed at bringing down the number of train accidents to zero. Ashwini Vaishnav had previously tweeted about the same. Sharing a video, he wrote, "As the gate approaches, Kavach automatically initiates whistling without an intervention from the driver. Auto whistle test was done successfully." So why did Kavach fail in the tragic Odisha train accident? While initial reports suggested that the Coromandel Express train collided head-on with a goods train, causing the derailment of 4 coaches of the superfast passenger train, railway officials have denied it. As per the initial investigation, the train number 12864 SMVT Bangalore Havra Superfast Express derailed and crossed the adjacent track from where the Coromandel Express was passing. The express train also derailed near the Balasore district of Odisha, which resulted in derailment of another goods train. Since all the trains derailed, Kavach technology didn't work on such cases. As the name suggests, Kavach is made to avoid head-on collisions between engines of 2 trains. Another possible explanation is that the technology is not installed on all the network and this section was without the Kavach technology. During the budget 2022, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced protecting the 2,000-kilometer railway network in India by Kavach technology. Amid the aftermath of the incident, it remains unclear whether any of the trains involved in the collision were equipped with the Kavach system. Many are now arguing that Kavach would have prevented the accident, but everything seems to be left to speculation at the moment. What do you think about the Kavach technology and all the speculations surrounding it? Do let us know in the comments section below.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.